how to order a debit replacement card on your Citizens Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can order a new debit card in order to replace your lost or damaged one, or to replace the card that was never received. So to do that, first of all, launch the Citizens mobile banking app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the fourth option, which is Manage Cards, and then select the option Debit Card. Now once you've done that, in this page you will see a ton of different options such as freeze card, replace card, change pin, etc. Now since we are here to order a replacement card, we'll tap on the option Replace Card, and then you'll have to select a reason for your replacement. Now it can be that your card is damaged, it is lost, it is stolen, or it was never received. So simply choose whichever option is the most suitable one for you. Now once you've done that, tap on the option Review Order, and then you will be taken to the review order page where you can see the reason for replacement. After that, the address you will be receiving your new card on, and then simply the shipping. Now once you've done all of those, tap on the option Request Card, and there you have it. So that is basically how you order a debit replacement card on your Citizens Bank. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.